Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use transaction codes in shuttle management software. We can go to menu, transaction codes, and here I have a list of transaction codes for seat charges. Right now I have only one seat charge. This seat charge does not include any taxes. I can add a taxes associated with these transaction codes. Right now, this seat charge, every time you use it, the taxes will be applied to that charge. We can create another one. No tax. And there will be no tax associated with this charge. That means every time we use it, we will not post any taxes. The same we have with the bag charges. I already create here no tax, and bag charge has no taxes. I'm gonna update that. I'm gonna charge even compound tax on that, whatever you decide. Payments, we can create a different payment type: cash, Visa, MasterCard, or anything you like. There is no taxes on payments. Other charges can be anything, like a bottle of water or extra seat or child seat or anything you want. Child seat. For the child seat, we're gonna charge GST and BST. Apply. BST apply. Yes, we have two taxes associated with this transaction code. That's everything. How we're gonna use these transaction codes, that will be in the next video, but I'll make you a quick look. That will be in our route and prices. We're gonna select any route, existing route. For example, this one. We have a schedule already, and we don't have any price. Oh, we have prices. For example, base price we have. We already have some prices associated with that. And if we double click on the price settings, we see seat charge transaction and luggage charge transaction. We should put seat charge with taxes or no taxes. We just created no taxes. We can use this or whatever. For example, you can create a multiple prices. One price will be no tax charged, other price will be all tax or partial tax, whatever, depending on some configuration. Some people are not paying taxes, and you might create a special price for them where they will not pay taxes if you use that price. That's it. Thank you.